You know that feeling when the sun's out and the pool is calling? It's about those moments. Pure, uninterrupted family time. Meet the Skimmi 200 and 300. The best part? They're powered by the sun first. It's always on skimming without the extra energy bill. Our newest ways to keep things crystal clear. Just drop it in and forget about it. It actually seeks out the sun to keep its battery topped off. And when it's out of the water, it's smart enough to conserve energy, so it's ready for the next round. It handles obstacles and edges like a pro. No tangles, no hang-ups. Everything's right here on the app. 4 cleaning modes, totally simple. Doesn't matter what shape or size your pool is, Skimmi has you covered, from edge to edge, 24/7. So you can spend less time skimming and more time, well, doing this. Plus, with a solid warranty, you've got total peace of mind. Dolphin Skimmi. Skimming solved. Powered by the sun.